In this video, we're going to study how to solve three set word problems involving sets. Here's the sample problem. A group of 50 students went in a tour in Palawan province. Out of the 50 students, 24 joined the trip to Coron, 18 went to Tubataharif, 20 visited El Nido, 12 made a trip to Coron and Tubataharif, 15 saw Tubataharif and El Nido, 11 made a trip to Coron and El Nido, and 10 saw the three tourist spots. Questions: how many of the students went to Coron only? How many of the students went to Tubataharif only? How many joined the El Nido trip only? How many did not go to any of the tourist spots? Okay, so let's start with the first part of our solution, which is writing the given. So first we are going to write the cardinality of the universal set. So what is the cardinality of the universal set? So we have here our universal set is the group of 50 students who went in a tour in Palawan province. So we have the cardinality of the universal set is 50. Then next set. Let's find the given sets in the problem. Okay, so we have here 24 joined the trip to Coron. So this is a set. So we let C be the set of the students who joined the trip to Coron. So N of C therefore is equal to 24. There are 24 students who joined the trip to Coron. Then 18 went to Tubataharif. So we have another set here, the set of students who went to Tubataharif. So N of T equals 18. And then another given. 20 visited El Nido. Okay, so we have another set of students who went to El Nido. So we have set A for El Nido. Then the cardinality of set A is equal to 20. Okay, there's another given in the problem. 12 made a trip to Coron and to Bataharif. Okay, so we have here the keyword and. Now, we recall that the meaning of the keyword and is the operation intersection. Okay, before I proceed, let me recall first the different keywords that denotes set operations. So, recall that for union, the keyword or is used. Then for intersection, the keyword used is and. And for the difference, the keyword is only or but not. Then for complement, the keyword used is not. Okay, so we have here the keyword and. So and means intersection. So therefore, this 12 is the cardinality of the intersection of set C and set T. So we have here n of set C intersection set T equals 12. Okay, let's erase this part here. Okay, let's add more given. Okay, so we have here another given in the problem. 15. 15 so to Bataharif and there's another keyword and. This means intersection. El Nido. So we have here cardinality of set T intersection set E. So 15. Okay, so let's continue. We have another given in the problem. 11 made a trip to Coron and El Nido. So another keyword and. This means intersection. So we have n of Coron and El Nido. So C intersection E. And the cardinality is 11. And we have here given 10 saw the 3 tourist spots. Okay. 10 saw the 3 tourist spots. So what is the meaning of this statement? So this would mean that these ten students were able to visit the 3 tourist spots, the 3 sets. See Coron, Tubataha, and El Nido. So therefore, this is the cardinality. 10 is the cardinality of C intersection T intersection E. So 10. Okay. So another given. Okay, so we're done with the given. Okay, so the next part is populating the Venn diagram. So recall the regions. We have S sub 1, S sub 2, S sub 3, S sub 4, S sub 5, S sub 6, S sub 7, and S sub 8. Okay, so the first circle here represents our set C. So these are the set of students who went to Quran. We have second circle represents set T, and the third circle represents set T. Okay, so let us analyze the given. Now, the cardinality of the universal set is 50. So meaning, the sum of all the cardinalities of the 8 regions is equal to 50. We have the cardinality of set C is equal to 24. So meaning, if we are going to add the cardinality of the 4 regions of set C, we have S sub 1, S sub 2, S sub 4, and S sub 5, it would sum up to 24. Then the cardinality of set T, so we have here S sub 2, S sub 3, S sub 6, and S sub 5. If we will add the cardinalities of these regions, it would sum up to 18. And for set E, it would sum up to 20. So, what about for n in cardinality of T intersection E? What region is the intersection of set T and set E? T intersection E. So we have the regions of S sub 5 union S sub 6. So meaning if we add this, it would sum up to 15. But we don't know yet S sub 5 and S sub 6. So it's hard to determine the possible cardinalities of this. As well as C intersection E. So what are the regions for C intersection E? We have S sub 4 and S sub 5, these two regions. C intersection E. Then for C intersection T intersection E, so what region is this? Okay, so we have here S sub 5. And see that the given cardinality for C intersection T intersection E is 10. So therefore we can start populating S sub 5 since it's given. So the cardinality of this region S sub 5 is 10. Now from here, we can already determine the cardinality of the rest of the regions. Okay, so let's start with this given intersection C intersection T is 12. Again, what part of the Venn diagram is C intersection T? This one, S sub 2 union S sub 5. Now, since this is 12, all in all, it would sum up to 12, and we have already 10 here in S sub 5. So this is probably, or this is surely equal to 2. Because what will you add to 10 to make 12 is the number 2. So, okay, so we're done with S sub 2. What about S sub 6? Okay, what region is this? S sub 5 union S sub 6. This is T intersection E. So what is the given for the cardinality of set T intersection set E? We have 15. So we have already 10 here. So what will we add to 10 to get 15? So it's 5. Okay, so therefore, cardinality of S sub 6 is 5. Okay, so another, what about this? These regions. This is the intersection of set C and set E. So S sub 4 union S sub 5. Now, what is the given cardinality of C intersection E? We have 11. Now, since we have already 10 here in S sub 5, this is 1. So that the sum is equal to 11. Okay, so we are done populating this region here. So the next to be populated is S sub 1. This one. This is still unknown or lacking. So any idea how are we going to compute for the cardinality of S sub 1? Okay, so observe that the three regions, S sub 4, S sub 5, and S sub 2 are already populated. It's already complete here, the three regions. And the total of the cardinalities is 10 plus 1 is 11 plus 2 is 13. Now, set C, the cardinality of set C is 24. So therefore, n of S sub 1, we're going to compute this. It's cardinality of C, which is 24 minus the sum of this one, 1 plus 10 plus 2. So we have 24 minus, again, 13. So 24 minus 13 is 11. So therefore, n of S sub 1 here is 11. Okay, next. How are we going to compute for n of S sub 3? Okay, so n of S sub 3 is a region of set T, and the three regions here are already populated. And the sum is 10 plus 5 is 15 plus 2 is 17. So what will we add to 17 to get the cardinality of set T, which is 18? So we're going to add only 1. So that when we check, we have 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 10, 16 plus 2, 18. And we get the cardinality of set T, which is 18. So again, this is the formula. N of T, which is 18 minus the sum, 2 plus 10 plus 5. So we have 18 minus 17, and the answer is equal to 1. Okay, so next is n of S sub 7. So how will we compute for n of S sub 7? Let's erase this first. We have no space anymore. Okay, n of S sub 7. This is equal to, okay, so the three regions of set E are already populated, and the sum of this, when we add this, 10 plus 1 is 11 plus 5 is 16. So what will we add to 16 to get the cardinality of set E, which is 20? So we need to add 4. So that 16 plus 4 is equal to 20, which is the cardinality of set E. Okay, so this is n of 7 is 20 minus the sum, 10 plus 5 plus 1, which is 16, and the answer is 4. Okay, last region that we're going to populate. We have here S sub 8. N of S sub 8. Cardinality of S sub 8. So how are we going to compute for the cardinality of S sub 8? Okay, so observe that we are already done populating all the regions here of the union of set C, T, and E. So we are only lacking the cardinality of S sub 8. So how are we going to compute this? Okay, so observe that S sub 8 is part of the universal set. So everything, all the regions from S sub 1 to S sub 8 may made up the universal set. So therefore, when we are going to add all the cardinalities of all the regions, it would sum up to the cardinality of the universal set, which is 50. So therefore, to solve for the cardinality of S sub 8, we need to subtract 50 by the sum of all the cardinalities. Okay, so let's do the shortcut. The cardinality of set C, the total cardinalities for set C is the sum of 11, 2, 10, and 1. And this one is given here, 24. So 24 plus this one, we have added already this. Then 5 plus 1 is 6. Plus, then we add 4 here. Plus 4. Okay. So 50 minus the sum. What is 24 plus 6 plus 4? We have 34. And 50 minus 34 is, okay, 16. So therefore, n of s sub 8 is 16. Okay, so let's go to part 3. We can now answer the questions in the given problem because we are done already populating our Venn diagram. We are just going to get our answer here from the accomplished Venn diagram. So first question, how many of the students went to Coron only? So what part or what region in the Venn diagram is Coron only? So we have here as sub 1, 11. So the answer in question letter A is 11. What about question letter B? How many of the students went to Tubata-Harip only? So this region here is for Tubata-Harip only as and Abes sub 3. So the answer is 1. Set C. How many, question letter C. How many joined the El Nido trip only? Okay, so this region as sub 7 is for El Nido only. Set E only. So the answer here is 4. So 4 students went to El Nido trip only. How about the last question, question letter D. How many did not go to any of the tourist spots? So what region is this? Okay, this is the region S sub 8. And the cardinality of S sub 8 is 16. So therefore, there are 16 students who did not go to any of the tourist spots. So we're done. And that's it.